going on today. Setting up a target here. Today we are going to be doing the 50-yard marksmanship. We just poked a hole in our target. 50-yard marksmanship drill from T-Rex Arms. We're going to walk back here to 50 yards. This is going to consist of 3 rounds of 5 shots into the target, followed by 3 rounds of 2 shots into the head box. These will be for time, and then our hits will be scored depending on alphas or charlies or misses. So we'll get this loaded up. Today I'm going to be shooting a AR15 chambered in 7.62 by 39. I've got a 1-6 LPVO. So we're going to get this loaded up and take some shots and go see what our scores are. This is all going to be from either high or low ready and the standing position. So again, right here at 50 yards, got our target dead ahead. All right, I've never attempted this before, so this will be a good good test for me to see where I'm at. All right. All right, first one's in 342. Now for the next one. .317. .346. That was 352. .282. And 302. All right, so we should have a total of 21 shots on target. So let's go through. We'll start right here. So that was one of the headshots, so we barely missed that one high. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's make sure we didn't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we must have another mic. Must have a mic up there. All right, so we've got 2 mics. All right. A is 5, C is 3. Mics are -10. So we know we've got 2 mics for -10. For alphas, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll count that as a Charlie. So 7, I'm counting these as alphas because they're bravos, but they're headshots, and that's in the face, so I'm counting it. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 alphas. If you don't like it, fight me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Charlies. And we've got 2 deltas. So that doesn't add up to 21 though. 9 alphas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 Charlies.